Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasistha from Cadnest Basvanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. So, today I am going to discuss about tips to be curious to learn. Everyone is born with it. It's innate and natural to each and every child. But somewhere along the way, we lose our sense of how to use curiosity to expand our minds. So, curiosity doesn't kill the cat. In this modern age of information, it only makes the cat sleeker and stronger. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Never lose a holy curiosity. So, how can we retrain ourselves to be more curious? By forming new habits, of course. So, here there are 10 great habits of curious people you can adapt naturally for yourself. So, listen without judgment. Don't size people up and make assumptions. Curious people are focused on exploring options rather than shaming or blaming. Ask questions restlessly. Curiosity begs us to ask what, why, who, when, where, and how to get at the deeper secrets. Questions don't scare curious people. Third point is never get bored. When you're naturally curious, you're always looking into something new. Curious people can always find something interesting to explore. Fourth point is willing to be wrong. Cultivate a sense of being open to others, insight and opinions rather than being right. Leave to solve problems instead of being right. Fifth point is naturally empathetic. So, empathy lets you to connect with your customers and prospects in a natural and authentic way. Empathy helps to open doors to new relationships. Stay in movement. Curious people don't talk much. They are focused completely and solely on the present moment. You will be able to take in everything that is happening. Aren't afraid to say I don't know. It's more important for a curious person to learn something than to look smart. They are always seeking knowledge by engaging in conversation. Make time for curiosity. Curious people make time to be intentionally curious. Take one day, a month, to think forward 3 years, to question your goals and assumptions. Are you doing things you should not be doing? Or self-motivated? When you're consistently interested in new things, you make sure to put in time and effort to learn about them. You do this because you want to, not because something told you to. Finally, let's discuss about love to learn. Naturally, curious people or learners. You can get your hands on, take instructive classes and courses, never stop learning all this. Our minds have two halves. The one half that has new experiences and the other half that try to understand those experiences. So many adults stop being curious and focused. Instead on understanding what they have already been through, curious people use both half of their minds and are able to stretch to new heights. So, with this, I am completing my session today. Thank you all.